Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome NVIDIA co-founder, president, and CEO, Jensen Huang.
Good morning. Welcome to GTC 2012. This is a conference dedicated to the advancement of GPU technology, and this is a conference dedicated to the science that you do on GPUs. You are the stars. This is a celebration of your science, of your work, and your innovations. Today I want to do three things. I want to give you an update on the progress that we've made with GPU computing and CUDA over the last several years since the last time we've met. The second thing I want to do is to reveal for the first time some technologies that we've been working on back at the labs. And the third thing I want to do is to introduce you to some partners, some companies we've been working with that you wouldn't have regularly seen us with. We got a big day for you, a great show, so let's get started.
I am AI, brought to life by NVIDIA, deep learning, and brilliant minds everywhere.